Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today I have something really cool that I want to share with you. Ta-da! So this is a color by sticker activity book, and let me just say I have been really obsessing over these. So it's basically an activity book and it comes with 10 projects that you can do. And all you have to do is you just go through the back and see which image you want to work on, and then you just rip it out and then you just coordinate it with the stickers and you just stick it on, and it's as simple as that. But for some reason it is so fun to do, and it is just really cool to see it all come together. And let me show you the ones that I've actually done already. So here is a lemonade image that I've done. I did an eagle, I've done a lion. The watermelon was my first one that I did, and an apple. I thought it would be fun to take you along and show you the whole process of me completing one page. I actually started working on one before I started filming, so yes, it's a problem. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Here are the two books that I was able to find. I wish there was more, but sadly these were the only two available. And as you can see, this one is the one that I've been using, because it is just almost completely done. And before filming I was working on this image, which is a dog, and it's almost done. This is what a new one looks like, and as you can tell it's very thick. So in the back is all the images that you can choose from, and in the front is all the stickers. So I'm gonna go back to this one because I do want to finish up this book. But let's say I wanted to work on this zebra. So I would just have to find the image of the zebra, so it's like right here, and this page as well, and you can tell from the little image. I think what I might do is show you a new image from beginning. That way I can show you the whole process from start to finish, and then maybe we can go back to the dog one and finish it up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and choose a new image to do, and we can get started. I did have a little bit of a hard time tearing off the sticker page, but it's okay, the stickers are still fine. So yeah, this is everything that we need, and let me just show you the tools that make the whole process a little bit easier. I do like to keep an X-Acto knife next to me because some of the stickers aren't cut that well, and it just makes it easier to go in and cut it yourself and then take it off. And I also like to have some tweezers next to me because it's just kind of fun to pick up the stickers and place it on the image. You really don't need this, but it does make it much nicer, and I like the feeling. Okay, so here is everything ready to go. I got my stickers on my right side, my fish ready to get stickered, and also my tools. So yeah, now it's time to enjoy the whole process and see how this goldfish is gonna look. All right, it's time to do the final sticker. And it's finished. My phone is about to die, so I'm not going to be able to get the dog one done. However, I will post a photo of it in the community tab so you can check it out later. And yeah, let me know what you think about this. Have you ever tried this? Have you even heard of this? For me, this is completely new, and I wish I knew about it sooner because I'm obsessed with it, like I said earlier. But yeah, besides that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!